Picture this, it's past midnight, you've been tossing and turning for hours, and no matter what you do, sleep feels out of reach. The quiet of the night only amplifies your racing thoughts. You stare at your phone, hoping for distraction, but the blue light only makes it worse. You're not alone, many people are stuck in this frustrating loop. But why does it happen? What's stopping us from falling asleep, and how can we fix it? Let's uncover the truth behind sleepless nights and find real, effective solutions to help you drift into a peaceful slumber. Sleep is a vital part of our lives, essential for mental clarity, emotional stability, and physical health. Yet, for millions of people, falling asleep has become a nightly challenge. This isn't just about losing a few hours of rest, it's about battling a deep rooted issue that impacts every facet of life. Struggling to sleep can lead to fatigue, irritability, reduced productivity, and long term health problems. But understanding the root cause is the first step toward overcoming it. Whether it's overthinking, irregular routines, or life stressors, this guide will delve deep into why you may be struggling and what you can do to finally rest well. Why are we struggling to fall asleep at night? Falling asleep is a natural process governed by the circadian rhythm, a 24-hour internal clock that regulates sleep and wake cycles. However, this rhythm can be disrupted by external and internal factors. Stress and anxiety. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that prepares your body for action. While helpful in emergencies, persistent stress keeps your body in a state of alertness, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. Even minor worries can escalate at night, as the lack of distractions during bedtime allows your brain to focus entirely on them. Technology use. The blue light emitted by screens suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy. Scrolling through social media or working late on your laptop delays your brain's recognition that it's time to wind down. Irregular schedules. Erratic sleep schedules, such as sleeping in on weekends or staying up late, confuse your body's natural clock, making it harder to fall asleep consistently. Poor sleep environment. An uncomfortable mattress, excessive noise, or even the wrong room temperature can disturb your ability to relax and prepare for sleep. Is overthinking stealing your sleep? Why it happens? Overthinking often stems from anxiety and the need for control. At night, when distractions are minimal, your mind begins replaying past events or worrying about future scenarios. The impact on sleep. Overthinking activates your brain, preventing it from entering the relaxed state necessary for sleep. It also increases heart rate and stimulates stress hormones, further delaying the onset of sleep. Breaking the cycle. To combat overthinking, practice mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation. Journaling before bed can also help offload concerns, leaving your mind calmer as you prepare to sleep. Symptoms of sleep struggles. The signs of poor sleep aren't limited to tossing and turning at night. They manifest in various ways throughout the day, including number 1, constant fatigue, even after hours in bed. Number 2, difficulty concentrating or making decisions. Number 3, mood swings and irritability. Number 4, increased appetite, particularly cravings for sugar or caffeine. How to sleep faster. Create a nightly routine. Consistency is key. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock. Practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, or yoga before bed can calm your mind and reduce stress. Progressive muscle relaxation, a method where you tense and release each muscle group, can also work wonders. Limit screen time. Turn off all electronic devices at least an hour before bed. Replace screen time with reading or listening to calming music. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your room is dark, quiet, and cool. Use blackout curtains, white noise machines, or fans if necessary. Use visualization. Imagine a calming scene, such as a beach or a forest, to distract your mind from overthinking. Here are sleep patterns and their importance. A consistent sleep pattern ensures that your body knows when it's time to rest and when it's time to wake up. Irregular sleep patterns disrupt this natural rhythm, leading to insomnia or poor sleep quality. Maintaining a regular schedule, even on weekends, helps reset your internal clock. Does life struggle affect your sleep? Life struggles, such as financial worries, relationship conflicts, or work stress, heavily influence sleep. Emotional distress makes it difficult for the brain to switch from problem solving mode to a relaxed state conducive to sleep. How to cope? Seek support. Talking to a trusted friend or counselor can help alleviate emotional burdens. Set boundaries. Avoid work or stressful conversations close to bedtime. Practice gratitude. Focusing on positive aspects of your life before bed can shift your mindset, making it easier to relax. The psychology of overthinking and sleep. Overthinking, in psychological terms, refers to the repetitive and obsessive focus on thoughts, problems, or decisions. This cognitive process often leads to heightened stress and anxiety, making it challenging to achieve a relaxed state necessary for sleep. Sleep psychologists view overthinking as a form of cognitive arousal that interferes with the brain's ability to transition into sleep. Interventions such as mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT, are often recommended to help individuals break free from the cycle of overthinking and promote restful sleep. Understanding overthinking as a psychological barrier can empower individuals to take control of their nighttime routines. Circadian rhythm and psychological balance. The circadian rhythm, often referred to as the body's internal clock, regulates the sleep-wake cycle and is deeply connected to psychological health. This 24-hour cycle is influenced by external cues such as light and temperature, and internal factors like hormone levels. Disruptions to the circadian rhythm, such as jet lag or shift work, can lead to mood disorders, cognitive impairments, and sleep disturbances. Psychologists emphasize the role of maintaining a stable circadian rhythm in achieving mental clarity and emotional stability, underscoring its impact on overall psychological well-being. Stress psychology and its impact on sleep. Stress psychology examines how the mind perceives and reacts to stressors, affecting both mental and physical health. Chronic stress triggers the fight-or-flight response, releasing hormones like cortisol, which heighten alertness and delay sleep onset. This prolonged state of hyperarousal not only disrupts sleep patterns but also exacerbates anxiety and depression. By addressing stress through cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, relaxation techniques, or lifestyle changes, individuals can mitigate its impact on sleep and improve their psychological resilience. Sleep, in turn, acts as a natural stress reliever, highlighting the bidirectional relationship between the two. Sleep deprivation and cognitive decline. Sleep deprivation is a psychological and physiological condition resulting from insufficient rest. It significantly impairs cognitive functions such as attention, memory, and decision-making. From a psychological standpoint, chronic sleep deprivation is linked to mood disorders like depression and anxiety, as well as increased irritability and impulsivity. Sleep psychologists study how prolonged lack of sleep affects neural activity, particularly in areas of the brain responsible for emotional regulation and executive functions. Addressing sleep deprivation through behavioral changes and therapeutic interventions is crucial to preserving both mental acuity and emotional well-being.